Welcome back to the Skid Factory. Today we're at Holden Airport with our mates from Super Cheap Auto, and we're filming the release of a Holden-themed toolbox from Toolpro. It's an online ad. We've got some Toranas. We're going to have some fun.
So the narrative behind this commercial, I guess it is that there's a grumpy old mechanic who's been around forever that you know, he's all cranky and stuff, and then a young mechanic who's keen and he wants to race all the time, and the grumpy mechanic just stands around and looks grumpy. And I think this isn't made up at all, it's actually true. So I think Sketch needs to pay us for a bit more for our time here, since they stole my life. What do you reckon, Rigos?
Grumpy old, know-it-all, bald, been around the block, grizzled Alan Butler, stands around with his arms folded.
I guess the one thing they did specify a young fella. So
yeah, that's me.
The
sure? Good-looking young rooster. Good morning, Sketch.
What's happening, man?
How are you, man? Hey, thanks for having us again, dude.
No worries.
Good shoot, good people.
Thanks for coming. We've got a
no worries,
couple
yeah.
of cool rides here.
Tory over there, Lee's Tory. It's straight out of the paddock with rat feces and dust everywhere.
That's good. We've got a turbo on this one. We've got a blower on this one.
And a blower on that one. That Silverado's nice too, eh?
Yeah, it's the Ranger that was towing it broke down on the way here, so we're a little bit behind schedule, but it's
oh, good. Wicked.
I think these guys are making TikToks at the moment.
Yeah. All right, we're doing a burnout with some static shots. How's that there, Sketch? This thing does it in second gear, so I don't even know if it's going to skid yet, so tell me when.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Sketches on the Ronin.
Look at this.
It's so sick.
It's like a chicken head. Oh yeah, I forgot we were doing something real. I got real distracted.
Distractions.
It's pretty sick.
Big block. Oh yeah, well I'll go closer.
427
Yeah, I'm gonna rock the car a bit then.
with a little field blower and a pair of carbies and a dizzy.
Sounds like something Wazza would enjoy.
Yeah.
What's that?
Everyone enjoys it. It sounds cool.
I do enjoy
Oh,
it
okay.
too.
It had the relief on the...
Hey Steve, how are you?
Not too bad.
Owner of this tough Tory here, and you're the engine builder for High Torque Performance, that's right?
That's correct, yeah.
Nice man, very impressive car.
Thanks.
How cool's hanging out in the airship all day? It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, it's not bad. Nice weather.
Tell us a bit about the car, man. How long you had it for?
Pretty much I've had it for over 20 years. Bought it when I was 16.
Wow.
It was a 6-cylinder. Then yeah, put a 253 in it. Then decided I'll take it out and put a big block in it.
Wicked.
So yeah, 9-inch tubs, 2-speed power glide, coilovers in the rear.
Sick.
So,
And you race it or street car?
Street and street strip.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wicked, man.
So cheers.
Good one. We're counting down the days, November 30th for the Super Cheap Auto Classic Race Drag Challenge. And then there's my birthday. We skipped that day. I didn't race that day. And we doing more skid sketch.
Pretty soon. Pretty soon. pretty soon.
Does Steve know that I'm pedaling? Or am I driving Steve's car?
Yeah, you're driving it.
Does he know that?
He might not know yet,
Yeah.
but he's keen for
It's
it.
alright, I am mechanically sympathetic, it's all good. Skippy's rocked up, he's keen to race the big block. You want to race, Skip? I'll give you the jump.
So what is this?
That's a wine glass holder.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Al, you look very dapper with your uniform.
Country.
Country, you reckon?
It's a flannel, bros. No one wearing a flannel is dapper. What's going on, Woody?
So, Sketch has just bought himself a brand new SFI 20 suit. Brand spanker. And I'm the first person to try it on.
Now it's got your sweaty balls in there.
So we're doing shots now of race suiting up. Wheels are on Steve's car, and then we'll do some.
He'll be standing here, so straight
I don't know what shots we're doing. But
You don't know because
look at all this technical stuff.
you're
We've
just
got
a talent, bros.
This is called a diff, short for diffuser. Is that right? Diff?
Yeah.
Diffy?
When you want the lighting guys to put it up, you say, "Can you get a pole boner for me, mate?"
Pole boner?
Yeah. Give us a pole boner.
Is that actually the term you use?
No.
Okay. It is now. Shout out to all the homies who wear a race suit in the staging lanes. I know there's so many of you. This is hot AF.
Gotta get aircon.
Now I don't want to race a car.
Vintage air. Underback
Aircon, Alan, you heard it here first. Aircon race car.
Rum,
Hollywood.
3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now hold it down. Now, they're ready.
Shaking a bit.
Green.
And just flooded it. Yeah, we're on an airstrip. How many gears have we got?
Yeah, it's a runway. At least 10.
Officially have now sat in the seat of a supercharged big block powered vehicle before Alan.
I was only thinking that.
It's not every day you get to drive a supercharged big block Torana, so Steve, you're a legend. Thanks so much, brother. Frothing on this. Nah, I'm just talking to the GoPro. Now I understand the feeling of driving a vehicle like this, because that puts hairs on your chest, let me tell you. I don't have too many, so I've definitely just taken another 5. Woo! Big block things, mate. This is stuff Al's got to get used to, cooling down his starter motor at Coles. Oh yeah! Be more stoked, Alan.
No, that was sick.
How good was my driving skills? Big power skid off the line, yeah. We've just been given the go-ahead for some B-roll, so Lee's gonna jump in the Torana and cut loose. How good is it having an airstrip? Hell yeah. Do some hoops. It's an unlimited thing, Alan. What did you say?
If your car sounds like that, stop. It's not working.
Nitrous, you reckon? Maybe we can sort that out for him. Yeah, dog, that's sick. Now give me a go, Lee. Oh, she's warm now. That's a mint stopwatch.
It is.
What, 9-second pass?
Yeah. No, I know.
That was really fun.
You did a 9.0 according to the stopwatch, Steve.
Pretty good. You need a cage now, you need a suit, you need a helmet, you got to get a second mortgage. Thanks heaps, man. I'll help you line up if you... Oh,
Thanks, yeah, cheers, man.
no worries.
Thanks for letting me drive your car, dude. Really appreciate it.
That would have been sick. Next time I write one of these, I'm going to put me as the driver. We're good, Ben. Let's pack her up.
Okay, there we have it. That's a wrap for the Super Cheap Auto. Hang on, let's see what's going on here. The Super Cheap Auto Holden-themed Toolpro Toolbox. Actually, we didn't do an intro, Alan. We need to film an intro, so that'll be at the start of the video. Thanks to Super Cheap Auto for having us. We've had a blast here. Lee brought the Torana down for some background shots and some burnout, so that's always good. So we're frothing. Alan,
Keen, doesn't say much. He's done this all day. So it's now currently, don't have a watch on, but I think it's about 4 o'clock. We're going to head home via Dave and Sally Ann's house from overtaking lane to pick up some shirts.
Oh,
Sweet
that's
as.
a wrap,
Right Lane Print
everybody.
Media. Thanks, dudes.
I'm Sketchy.
Sketchy's
and,
doing the
that was
outro.
end of Skid Factory
See you,
today.
homies.
Thanks very much. That's a wrap, everybody. It's I'm Sketchy, and that was the end of Skid Factory for today. Thanks very much.
Thanks for letting me use your car and do skids, Lee. Appreciate it. Thank you, Steve, if you're still watching. Not every day you get to drive a car like yours, and I'm absolutely frothing. It's worthwhile noting, if you're a mad Holden fan and you want to get yourself a Holden-themed Toolpro Toolbox, available in stores at Super Cheap Auto or online. I'll click a link somewhere within this vicinity here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.